Hi everybody, it's Apostle Mimi, and I'm just here to give you just another quick update on our Kenyan Apostolic Missions trip that we're taking next month in August. And I'm so excited. God is really blessing this trip. Really has his hand upon this. And just to kind of give you a little bit of an update, we have actually a ministry that's building a new church in the city of Nairobi. Nairobi, Kenya, and they actually have offered graciously to cover our accommodations while we're in the city of Nairobi, which is a blessing because we won't have to worry about paying for any of the hotel stays or providing transportation, ground transportation while we're there. And that is such a huge blessing. And I just thank God for that. I thank God for those of you that are praying for us, those of you that are asking God to stand with us, and those of you who are praying and sowing actually into the trip. God moves in all kinds of ways, and I'm excited to hear and see that these pastors understand the importance of bringing quality ministry to their city and putting people before them that God has ordained and God has endorsed. And so I'm thankful for that, totally thankful for that. Also, we have another pastor there who has just really generously offered his services to be my driver for all the different cities I have to go to. I'm going to 5 different cities. One city is just, kind of the hub city with the airport to get back around. But he is willing to take time out of his schedule and take the time and drive me around and be my escort, which is a huge cost savings, because if I had to hire a car or a taxi, then I'd have to pay for the car, the use of the car, and the driver, and the gas. And since he's donating his time, that's a savings that I won't need. So I thank God for that. I thank God that he's opening these doors and he's endorsing this work in such a powerful way. And so that just gets me a little bit closer, but I still need your help. I still need cash donations. I need donations. If someone's offering to say, I'll pray 3 nights, I'll be in one area of the country for 5 days, and each one of those nights, that's a hotel stay of about in between $50 or $60. If you're willing to say, you know what, I'll do 2 nights of your hotel stay, please come onto the website. It's youcaring.com/revival of the nations. I also need money just for expenses. I got to eat and some of the travel and stuff. So if you really feel like God is tugging on your heart, if I have been a blessing, if my ministry's been a blessing, if my Facebook posts have been a blessing, then please sow something into this venture and ask God what you can do. Ask God to show you. Be like the woman who lost the coin in her house, and believe God for a found money anointing, so that you walk through your house and God supernaturally said, you could sell that, you don't need this, you can give that, you can take this, and let God show you where the money is in your house. We see all those commercials on TV about selling your gold and selling your cash. There may be some things that are broken, things that you just really don't decide you want to use, or something from a past relationship that just might need to go. What a way to turn that around and sow that into the kingdom. So I'm just asking you to just, come on board with us. Take the time, sow a seed, sow some prayer into this, because we really need your prayers. We really need your support for my strength, my help, for the Spirit of God to move in every area that we're going into. We're very excited about what God is doing. And so I just wanted to bring you this update. And again, just thank you again for taking the time to watch, taking the time to listen, and taking the time to sow. God bless you. I love you. And I'll be back in a couple of days with some more great information for you concerning this 2015 Apostolic Missions Trip. From my heart to your heart, this woman's heart says thank you so much, and God bless.